deep watering is very, very important. So when you plant a tree, we'll give you a guide that whatever size of bucket that it comes in is basically how much water you're going to give it. So if it's in a 15-gallon container, you're going to water it 15 gallons once or twice a week in the heat of the summer. And again, it's so hard for us to say you're going to water twice a week, no matter what, because it's just difficult. You might have two different areas in your yard that's different. Even holes that are 10 feet away from each other could be different. There might be more rocks in this one, more clay in this one. This one's going to dry out faster than one with clay. So pay attention to your plants. That way we can troubleshoot faster for you or better for you. When we're kind of in that shoulder season right now. Our temperatures are lower. Our nights are longer. Our days are shorter. So we do not need to water as often as we were in the summer. So if you haven't adjusted your sprinkler system, you need to do so. Or your blue spruces are going to start yellowing or turning brown inside. Your deciduous trees will take it just because they're more adaptable. But if you continue to water your evergreens like you did in the summer, you'll start showing stress. So please arrange that so you're watering properly. Once we get to December, we're in winter watering mode, and winter is basically December through March. So we're going to water every 2 weeks. Basically, at this time, your root systems are going to shut down, and you're not going to get any root growth. All we are doing is keeping that root ball moist. So it's ready to go when we start warming up towards March. March till the end of April, we're back to that once a week type deal. And then once we hit May, we're in full summer. And again, like I said, depending on our winds and heat, you might be watering once, twice, maybe 3 times a week, depending on how high we get or hot we get. So make sure that you're watering properly.